Welcome to NetGlow World YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to create viral YouTube thumbnails for your gaming channel. First of all, let's talk about why YouTube video thumbnails are important. Number 1. Attracting attention. A thumbnail is the first thing viewers see when browsing YouTube. It serves as a visual cue to grab their attention among numerous other videos. A compelling thumbnail can entice users to click on your video over others. Number 2. Increasing click-through rate, CTR. A well-designed thumbnail can significantly increase your video's CTR. This is important because YouTube's algorithm heavily considers CTR when ranking videos. Higher CTR signals to YouTube that your video is engaging and relevant to viewers, potentially leading to better visibility in search results and recommendations. Number 3. Communicating content. Thumbnails provide a snapshot of what your video is about. They should accurately represent the content and convey the video's main message or theme. This helps viewers understand what to expect, reducing the likelihood of clickbait and increasing viewer satisfaction. Number 4. Brand recognition. Consistent branding across thumbnails can help viewers recognize your videos more easily. This is particularly important for building a loyal audience and establishing a recognizable presence on the platform. Number 5. Mobile viewing. Many users access YouTube on mobile devices where screen space is limited. Thumbnails need to be visually appealing and clear even at smaller sizes to capture viewers' attention effectively. Number 6. Competitive advantage. In a crowded platform like YouTube, having eye-catching thumbnails can give you a competitive edge. It can make the difference between a viewer choosing your video or scrolling past it to watch something else. Overall, YouTube thumbnails play a vital role in driving views, engagement, and ultimately, the success of your videos on the platform. In this video, we will use Canva. In the search field, enter YouTube thumbnail. Now you should find a YouTube thumbnail template. What would you want to use? For example, I will use this template. First of all, let's change the background. Send this picture behind of all the thumbnail elements. Add autofocus to your background image to make this thumbnail look cooler. By double-clicking left button of the mouse, you can change the text. You can change the font of the text. You can change the color of elements. You can also delete some elements and add your own. Apply a few more fixes, and you are ready to export this piece of art. Finally, you can export this thumbnail. Here are final results. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe to NetGlow World YouTube channel for more tutorials. See you in the next video.